Well, if you find yourself down on the east side of Budd Inlet out by Olympia, you might decide, hey, I could storm my boat at Puget Sound Marina. Puget Sound Marina has been around since like 1965. There's some of the old stuff, I guess, from the original marina. That is not their current building, so don't worry. They have a showroom at the top of the hill. But this is their boat launch. It's not open to the public, but if you store your boat there, this is how I assume they will launch it for you. I don't think you can use it yourself. And here's where I stop the camera because the tide is out so far. I can't walk down that ramp without holding on with both hands. The float part of the dock is very stable. It's covered in a lot of shit, but it's very stable. Off in the distance, beautiful Mount Rainier. Budd Inlet off to the left there. It's really quite a lovely spot. Unfortunately, they only use it for launching boats that are stored here. So the ramp is pretty steep at high tide. You can see it would go in real nice for just about any size boat. But at low tide, man, it is flat, and you're probably going to have to wait around a while for them to launch your boat for you.